I'm going to tell you what you need to stop doing immediately on Poshmark because it's going to be hurting your sales and what you should be doing instead. And we're going to talk about that right now. My name is Karen with the Thrifty Flamingo. I've been selling on Poshmark since 2013 and have been doing it full time for the past 2.5 years. So if you're interested in any Poshmark or reselling content, I'd really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. So I'm going to tell you what you could be doing right now that is completely hurting your sales and your activity on Poshmark that you need to stop doing now. And you're going to want to stick around because we're going to talk about what you should be doing instead. So the thing that you have to absolutely stop doing immediately is to flat out decline offers. We've all been there. We've gotten a lowball offer that is just so low and so far in left field that you don't even want to respond. You know, you have an item at $40 and all of a sudden you get a push notification, so-and-so has sent you an offer, and you're like, yes, what could it be? And you open up your phone and somebody offered you $12 for your $40 item. It happens, so you counter back at maybe $35 and they counter back at $12, thinking they're just going to keep repeating their offer. Now, when people are so far apart, you're at 35 and they're at like 12, maybe they came up $1. Maybe they're dollaring you to death. You know, 12, 13, $14. Still so far apart. Now, I know a lot of sellers just flat out decline. They're like, we're never going to reach a medium. We're never going to reach a place where I'm happy and they're happy, and they flat out decline the offer. You have to stop doing this immediately. It completely hurts your activity and your sales. You need to stop doing this immediately. So what should you do? Instead of flat out declining, what you should be doing is letting it expire. By letting the offer expire, it takes 24 hours for it to expire, and then it doesn't hurt the algorithm. However, flat out declining the offer does have negative responses on your account. So just don't decline. I know some people want to say hit decline and be like, I'll show you. But you know what? It's really hurting you in the long run. So just let the offer expire. Sure, you can counter if you want, go back and forth, but in the end, it doesn't matter. You respond. If they respond with a low offer again, just let it expire. Move on. Somebody is gonna come along and they're going to purchase that $40 item or whatever item it is close to or at the price that you're asking for it. Don't think twice about it. Don't beat yourself up about it. It's the nature of the beast. Just let it expire. If you're new to selling on Poshmark, there are some fabulous Facebook groups to learn a lot of this information in, including the Facebook Analytics group for Poshmark. You have to enter the sandbox and graduate into the analytics group, but I definitely recommend it to you. You get to learn about the ins and outs and how to favor the algorithm. So remember, if you get that really low ball offer and you know you're not going to reach an agreement on a price, just let it expire. No harm, no foul. I really hope you appreciated this little tidbit of information. It's a really strong and powerful tidbit of information, and I hope you stop declining immediately and you will see results. If you appreciated this, definitely give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. YouTube would appreciate it. If you're interested in more content like this, about Poshmark and about reselling in general, I would also really appreciate if you subscribe to our channel. Take care.